Hi there everybody, welcome to the channel. We're talking about doing film sims on your cell phone today using Dehancer. And we're going to jump onto the computer here and check out some film sims added to some pictures I've taken over the past year with my cell phone. Now, there is a coupon you can use to get a % off. You'll see that down below. Use that at checkout and it gives me a little bit of a kickback and gives you a discount on the Dehancer plugin for Lightroom. Now, as a second thought, you can also get Dehancer to edit videos so you can make it look like it was shot on film as well. And if you want the whole package deal, use that discount code on that as well. Here we go. Onto the Dehancer Lightroom plugin to add film simulations to your cell phone photos. So here we are on the computer and we just have 6 photos here to use as examples for editing cell phone photos. And Dehancer to get that cool film simulation look, or the film look. This, tells you the information, obviously. I took this on a Samsung S20 FE. And we'll just go to Edit in, Dehancer. On the left side it shows you previews of all the different film simulations in the program here. You can also click Profiles, and this just gives you a basic of the different film sims. Or you can click the presets. These are ones that different people have made, like from the Dehancer team, or by other photographers that people wanted in. Usually I just go with the presets up here. And of course you can go through and adjust all the different settings if you wanted, but personally I just never touch them. As you can see, there is a ton of different presets. But we'll go to the profiles here and we'll just pick a film. I usually like Kodak Ektar myself. That's one of my favorite films to shoot on. So whenever you're done and you say, oh, I want Kodak Ektar, that's the one I want, you go in the top right, you click OK, and it puts it in your Lightroom catalog. You're right here, you're ready to go. It's got it applied. And you'll see on my phone, the original is a JPEG and the edited one is a TIFF. So we'll just go through these last couple here real quick. If you want to see the before and after, you can uncheck this box up here. And you can also view one-to-one if you want to zoom in real quick. You can also favorite your different film sims you like the most, like this Sandisk 800T is one of my favorites. So you can always hit the little heart and save them. You can also filter on your favorites, like this one. I also really like Fujichrome Provia 100F. So if you go in here and you pick one and you're like, oh, that's too much grain, you can always remove the grain a little bit by going down here to film grain and just reducing it to get the amount that you want. As you can see, the before and after. I believe this one was for a Halloween party or Halloween parade. I like the Sandisk 800 Kodak Enduro glossy paper. It really adds a nice, highlights around like lights and things. It makes it look pretty cool. Make this look like it was shot back in the 70s at a supermarket, just because of how the aesthetic is of the supermarket. It looks pretty old school to me. The Kodachrome 64, that's a classic. Everyone likes Kodachrome. This is a very old school ambrotype. I think that looks pretty neat. The highlights are kind of blown out, but it does give you that film look, film feel. Rolly Ortho 25. That looks pretty cool. I like that. So as you can see, the different ways that this presets can affect it. If you really enjoy the film look, can't really afford a film camera, you can get the presets for about $200, but you also get a discount using my discount code. It is definitely cheaper than buying a film camera and buying film and paying for processing and mailing it through the snail mail and getting scans. Now there is a version of this that works on iOS devices on iPhone, but I don't currently have access to an iPhone, so as soon as that happens, I'll be sure to make a video on it. But for everybody on Android, you're going to have to do it on the computer like this. Now at the end of the video here, on the way out, we're going to play through some different versions of before and after of some photos. Now don't forget to hit that subscription button, like the video, and I'll see you out there. Good luck.